Hello everyone, how are you? In this video I'm going to explain how to upload content on Wakelet.com. So there are different ways of accessing a Wakelet page. We are going to follow the link that you will find on Moodle. So once you click on the link, you will have this message here, and you have to write your name. So I'm going to write my name, and you click on Add. Now you are going to wait for the web page to load, okay? So give it a minute. Here it goes. Now here you have a picture of the Wakelet. You have the question that we are asking you. And then you have three videos that you have to watch for, actually doing this activity. After doing this, you're going to click on Edit Collection. And now you will be able to upload wherever you want. How are you going to do it? Take a look at this one. This is a test that I had already done, so I'm going to erase it. What you're going to do is to click on the plus sign, and here you have different options for your upload. First, you can paste a URL, that is to say a web page. You can add text here, right? It says you, but then of course it's going to say your name when other people see it. You have the date, and you can change the font, the size, some other things. Okay, let's write test 1. Okay, so there you go, you have it. You can edit it, or you can delete it if you don't like it. That is fine. But those are not the only possibilities. You can also upload an image, a PDF file, create another collection, a Google Drive link, a OneDrive link, and a Flipgrid video. If you don't want to show your face, maybe you don't like recording videos, you find them too stressful, but you want to practice your pronunciation or your speaking, what you can do is to record your answer and upload it on a Google Drive. Then share the link, the Google Drive link here. In that way, we will be able to listen to you, and you don't have to show your face, right? But if you don't want to practice your speaking skills, you can always add a text and practice your writing skills. To be honest, either way is fine, as long as you work on these different videos, and you show or you tell us your opinion. So this would be it. It's actually very simple to use, and as you can see, something important, when you finish you have to click done, but anyways it says changes saved, so that means that even if you forget to click done, you will find the activity there anyways, and your production or your content there as well. As you can see, you don't have to log in or sign up to work on this website, so we hope you like it, and we hope you get to work with it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.